Good morning. Good morning. Come on, Rumble. Hell yeah. Good morning. What the F is going on with this crypto market, bro? It's up, it's down. We're bullish, we're bearish. Try not looking at the charts too much, but we started tanking quite a bit on like the stock market open yesterday. I'm not really sure why. I mean, Trump is meeting with Putin. Apparently, the war is over. All Zelensky's got to do is bend over. Red Rover, Red Rover. I'm sure he'll do that. Zelensky seems like a guy that'll just bend right over. Both sides are forcing like 60-year-olds to join the war now. That's how bad it is. At least that's what they're saying on Twitter, so it must be true. A microphone. A microphone. Microphone. All right. Microphone. Damn. Why are there so many? All these different tabs, and it didn't bring up the one that has my time. There we go. Let's get into the stock market. A microphone. They were up kind of big yesterday on the open, but it looks like the mini S&P's down 2, Nasdaq's up 3. It was negative this morning. Dr. Payne early. What is going on? First like Dr. Payne just wants to talk crypto. Bonds up 5 ticks, 114. That is should not rate cut territory, but the pitchforks are out. Got a rate cut, even though it don't make sense. Trump, we should cut 3 points, idiot. Don't you dare talk bad about Trump. I will unsub. Good buying opportunity? I guess. Get a haircut? What kind of dumbass question is that? And I took the clippers to my head. I took them to my top of my mouth. Tesla was negative. Now it's positive. Probably had a shot to get out of my calls on the green. All right, we'll let that continue to cook. Ada's been Tutanka. Put some ETH calls on. Those are going. Well, actually, they're not too bad, bro. We get ETH to pump a little. I might be able to. Oh no, I take that back. We're down like 1,500 on these. Yeah, I need ETH to pump a lot. We're not too bad today. ETH was down, Bitcoin was down, then it got a little pump. Is it just a dead cat? Because it looks like we're going back down to Browntown. Head down 50 cent. They went to the candy shop. Link and Fuego. Link strong like bull during this downturn. I have no idea why. I guess Link knows I called it a silver platter, and it knew it needed to step up. NBIS, I'm super bullish on. Oklo, I'm super bullish on. We got some coverage strangles going on. Those are both profit. In profit. Oklo, we're actually down on the stock. I think the call would be doing a bit better, but what are you going to do? Rocket Lab up 37 cents. A lot of good Rocket Lab news out. Coinbase down 4. Don't ask me why. It's some volatile ass stock, bro. I think 4K will hold for ETH. We're about 5 minutes away from crypto, so just hold on to your freaking horses, bro. Oh, crap. Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say, well, SoFi looking good. SoFi going back up. I'm not a huge fan of that stock. What's their market cap? 30 billion? I mean, that's pretty cheap. But does anyone use them for like trading stocks and crypto? Does anyone use them for banking? Mortgage loans? I think I get a lot of ads from them. Yeah, I don't know why anyone would use this. Travel? It's too much, dude. There's no way. 11.75 million members. You can be a member. Look at these mortgage rates. 6%, 5.8, insane. Student loan refinancing. Student loans are really hard to refinance. So whoever owns it, they usually have like umbrella contracts on that shit. Insurance? What kind of insurance? Give me a break, bro. Garbage ass company. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? Bullish continuing to come back down to earth. What's their market? Like, who's using this? Our services aren't even available in the United States. What kind of crap is that? What's their market cap? You're so ready. Yeah, you and me both, bro. I'm exhausted. 9 billion market cap. 5 years. Yeah. I mean, if I can get a 10x on my portfolio, I think I could safely retire. Just an easy 10x, bro. I thought I would too. I still might. I round trip again. If I round trip 2 more times. MicroStrategy. God, candles are loading. I don't know. Crypto rich or get rich, get rich, get rich, get rich Nick or whatever. He had a really weird. Crypto rich. Nick O'Neill. He had a weird like thing going on this weekend where, God dang it. He posted a couple videos where he called MicroStrategy a scam. Like right here. And then I saw a tweet where like there's a FUD campaign, like a paid campaign going on to smear MicroStrategy. I don't know if any of this is true. I don't know if any of that's true. This is true that he absolutely called MicroStrategy a scam across 2 different videos and said get out. And then he did a video saying no, they're a great company. Did the lawyers call? You hate it when I have it on top chat. Stop being a little bitch, dude. Too many people I know with cancer dying. That sucks. Yeah, here, this guy, I don't, just saying there's a coordinated social media campaign to smear the reputation. And Nick's like, wait till you find out the dirty truth about who was paying him. Like, what is, he's got enough followers. Why would you sell out? 200K followers, why would you sell out to smear MicroStrategy? That's not even worth it, bro. Sailor's got some money. He's got some lawyers. CSAN, Nick looks like he's, yeah. I'm going to refrain from judging what he, yeah, bro, when he used to be on this NFT show, I forget what it was called. I would watch it last bull run from time to time. And I thought he was in like his 40s. And then I think he's in like his 20s or 30s, early 30s. He's young, but he's definitely got like a look. Let's just put it that way. AT&F, why is this no? Oh, they must have changed their ticker symbol. ETH-Z. No, I thought he was older. My bad. I don't know how old he is, to be honest. I have no idea. Maybe he is in his 40s. Let's see if we can find out. Oh, he is in his 40s. Brr. Wow, this one's really. This can be an interesting play. Eat the Zilla. No, I wouldn't touch this shit. I don't know. Peter Thiel invested in it. I don't know if there's a pipe. I'm in BMNR a little bit, just a little taste. We're up, but the problem with these is they keep diluting. So it's leverage, but the leverage to the downside is really bad too when East down. So I don't know. Like I think they bought. We're not talking about crypto yet. Palantir 175 coming down. I mean, Nvidia 182 hanging in there. CoreWeave $100. I don't know when this one's going to get interesting. Remember its market cap being too high. 50 billion. I mean, yeah, it's kind of high. AMD holding in there. Neo. Moderna making a comeback. Space crashing back down. Rocket Lab up 56 cents. I am very bullish this one. NBIS, I'm extremely bullish. I wish I would have got in back here. We're going to watch this one. I got a little taste going on. I do have some FOMO on some drone stuff. Joby pulling back. Just don't have enough. ONS has really been really hot. I just don't have enough research on these. Man, what's ONS market cap? $1 billion. I just don't know. Like they showed Joby doing a flight from one airport to another. I mean, that's interesting, but how much revenue? These drone plays, it's super early. Robots, I'm really excited about. I don't know if you saw that video of that one robot folding towels. And then, like, a bro's like, yeah, that's cool, but what happens if you raise the table 6 inches? Can it still fold towels? And then they came back with another video, and it was one of those desks where you could raise it, and they raised it 6 inches, and that sucker kept on folding. So, and it was doing a pretty good job, man. That shit's going to come along in like the next 5 years. Forget the name of that one. It's got a 1 in it, starts foundation or some shit. You can't invest in it, unfortunately. But that is one reason I am super bullish Tesla. All right, NASDAQ down 50. It was trying to go green. E-mini S&P down 6. Excuse me. Well, we do have Papa Powell speaking on Friday. The market's going to be in standstill till then. All right, let's get into crypto. Dr. Payne's like, finally. Boring ass market. Total 384. Crazy we're at a 4 trillion market cap. Read your mind? Crazy we're at a 4 trillion market cap, bro. Doesn't feel like it. Feels bearish. It did. What did Bitcoin get down to? Bitcoin dominance hanging around 60. Bitcoin came all the way down to 114. It is back in this bull flag. We need to get back above this line right here. We're below the 20 and the 50. We definitely want to get back above the 50. There's a lot of shorts right now. A lot of heavy shorting happening. I mean, I guess that's a smart thing to do if you have a lot of money. Short Ethereum right at all-time highs. It got all the way down to, I thought it was lower at 114.7. Ethereum got really low, 42.28. Considering we were at $4,500 at one point yesterday, almost 46. And then it really started tanking once the stock market opened. The 20's chilling at like close to 4,100. BMNR did buy some Ethereum this weekend, only like 100 million or something, I think. And they're going to buy 20 billion. That's a lot. That's why I'm super bullish Ethereum still, and I'm a little surprised. I thought they bought some. Yeah. More Ethereum purchase. The rotation from BMNR to SBAN has begun and permanently lost. This sounds, I don't think this is what's happening, but let's see. I feel like that's more like hopium than actual truth. They're both, I mean, it's down 8%. It's down a little bit more, but there's nothing saying there's a rotation happening. Boom, boom, pow. Boom, boom, pow. So Bitmine added 2 billion. I don't know if that's recent or old news. I feel like 2 billion would move the market more. ETH will double from here. Boom, boom, pow. What is Shardy B? ETH also trying to confirm. This is a bottom reversal. Let's go, baby. Wait, what time frame? 4 hour? All right. Boom, boom, pow. Ricky in the house. How are we feeling about Link, Ricky? Look at that sucker. Look at that candle. Ooh, baby. I have no idea why Link launched like that, but not complaining. ADA holding above 90. Man, I still just think about selling, bro. I'm so tired of this shit. Like, we better get a freaking run. We better get a run, bros. I don't know if it's true. I saw that this passed and they minted has moved a part and seeded. You can, oh, I thought I saw they minted like a bunch of USDM. I must have did the wrong tweet. Like, I think there was a thing to vote on taking some treasury and minting USDM. Ba 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 ba. all this Asian shit. To me, USDM on Cardano is easily the best. They've taken like 4-5 years. I mean, the main guy died, so someone said just dropped 100,000 worth of USDM. What is it like to try and make money? Oh, this is on Sol. The hell is this? I guess there's a meme going. Oh, that sucks. A James Wynn meme coin. Ugh, that guy's such a fucking loser, man. Made me drop an F bomb. Chiefs got their ass handed to him on Friday. Subs got the early thoughts on Bitcoin. Shut up. Your early thoughts on Bitcoin. Oh no, what does Charlie B think about Bitcoin? And now we're like tanking again, bro. What the shit, dude? So frustrating. I should just get in a 5,000x short. ETH's tanking. I feel like the shorts are piling it on right now. The stock market tanking with it? Like, did some news come out? No, Nasdaq's moving a little. So frustrating, dude. This wasn't supposed to happen till September. Imagine no alt season. Ugh. Imagine Dragons. Did you guys see that new show on Netflix, Room 40? Anyone catch that, Room 40? Ramble Time. Hmm. 701, man. I'm glutamine. Just sends strategy buys 430 bitcoins. Holy shit, bro. 430 whole bitcoins worth 50 million. That's news. I don't know. There's a bunch of Ethereum being unstaked. Is that what's happening? Do I sell and just get out now? Boom, boom, pow. Boom, boom, pow. Before rate cuts are priced in. Let's see. USD ADA pays 14%. $2 billion. No, 2 million. Yeah, 2 million. 2.7 million. That's nothing. Garbage ass chain. Shut up, Elon. Breaking news, buy signal flashes for Cardano. All a charts reveals a fresh TD sequential. Okay. JP Morgan expects the Fed to cut rates 4 times. September. I don't even think there's 4 rate cuts this year, bro. Are they going to do an emergency? September. Is there 4? September, October. No. There's 3 rate cuts left, bitch. Are they going to do an emergency one, or are they counting a 50 burger as 2? Are they including January? Yeah, this guy knows what's up. Novo said it offers cash paying patients its weight loss Ozempic less than half the monthly list price. I don't know, man. The dose I'm on, I don't know if it's enough because I've been having some hunger. Because I'm still hungry. I've gone hungry. You can pay $500 a month for this shit in cash. That's such bullshit, dude. They probably have doctors that you can call that are part of this. Like, it's basically a pill farm, a legalized pill farm. You know, like fentanyl back down in Florida. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Call our doctor. Oh, yeah. Even if your insurance doesn't pay for it. $400. That's probably for the 0.25 milligram. 1 pin and 4 disposable needles. 0.25. Some people need like more. All of them will be pills. What do you mean? This? I don't know. There's a much better drug, Ritutride. It's a GLP-1 and another. It does some other thing. I forget. It's much better, but it's not. I don't think it's FDA approved yet. You can get it. I don't know if I spelled Monjaro is two of them, or is that bound? Those are different forms. Retrutitide is it GLP-1? A triple hormone receptor agonist that targets GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon receptors. Really good for type 2 diabetes and weight loss. This is like basically is Zepatide better? No. It's not better than Retrutitide. Are you on any of these? Oh, better than, yeah, I'm not sure. Low. Boom, boom, pow. Man, some of this shit's expensive. I want to do Mott C. Boom, boom, pow. See, I get this. My doctor charges me $250 for this. Get it for 78. I don't know how much to dilute it though. I got to figure that out. Boom, boom, pow. Mott C right there, $48. Let's see. Good thing. Let's see. I'm on a little bit of a tangent. What are typical human doses for Mott C? 5 to 10 milligrams per day. That seems like what? Excuse me. It's a 10 milligram vial. $50 a day. Once daily or 3 times. You are saying if I get a 10 vial off Elite Research, that is a 1 day supply. That seems like Grok's trying to kill me. 5 to 10, 5 milligrams, 4 doses. I need to do some bit more research. Clue. We don't have the pill of it. Low. Low. Bitcoin 114.9. ETH 42.78. Ooh. Ugh. Shit is tanking. Hood down 360. What's going on? Coin down 7. NBIS coming down. Are we tanking? NASDAQ down 30. Not really. Stock market's flat, but not the shit I'm in. Let's see what now I'm. Chris in the house. How you doing? Chris, I told you it was time to sell. 10 to 30 milligrams per day. Yeah, that's seems. Improves insulin sensitivity and glucose regulation. 5 to 10 milligrams per week, split into 2 to 3 injections. God damn. I don't know, bro. I'll ask my doctor about that shit. I'm gonna low key ask him how much I'm taking of that shit and then not get it from him. Ripping me off, mofo. All right, ETH's over 4,300. Bitcoin's over 115. Chris enters the chat and we start to pump. I don't know. I don't freaking know, bro. Maybe I just trade all my Cardano in for SNEC. You guys know who Billy Walsh is? Texas Democrat. There's Democrats in Texas. Gotta try and muster a workout today. That's gonna be a rough day. It's gonna be a rough week, guys. I'm not looking forward to it. Indigo doing well? I'm surprised you know that. What do you consider doing well? I didn't even know you liked Cardano. Alt's got to go home. Damn, Indigo is doing decent. Decent. I mean, it hit almost $3.50 back in December. I don't know if I have Indigo. I think I do. I mean, I don't know that I have a lot. Got some IU. Yeah, I got 60. I'm not gonna be able to retire on that. Wait a second. 900. 9. I don't know what this is. Is it an LP? Sometimes you just have money and shit and you forget about it. Mm, I don't know what this is. ADA? Oh, ADA. Oh, splash liquidity. See? Well, you don't have it. This is like LP and shit, bro. Oh, what the hell? I'm never going to be able to get it because they can't even keep their. I don't know if this place is any good anymore. They can't even pay for an SSL, bro. They don't even know how to keep their SSL. Got some Saturn, that's worthless. Got some NTX, that's probably worthless. What's that? Stoop Rejuve? Got some of that. Ugh. That was a Ricky play. Oh, I got something just called straight scam. I got friend. I don't know how I got that shit. It's worth 4 cents. F Solana. FU money. These are worth nothing now. Biden. Glitch. Worth $14. PP. Worth $25. And Agent. Optimus. That's worth nothing. Did they do something where they change the token and if I didn't swap it, I lose it? Crypto is such a scam. My rejuves were $63. I think I put like 200 into that. Got a couple scam tokens over here. Show scam token info. Then swap airdrop. Night Trezor. We're working on it. They should have said night in all caps and day. We'll keep you posted. We aim to have it ready within the. How hard can it be, bro? How hard can it be, bro? Not working on it night and day. You were working on it night and day. The last week you could have effing cured cancer. We don't support the message signing. Yeah. And you're supposed to be a top wallet. And here's where I got to hear Dr. Payne. I use Ledger. Shove the Ledger straight up your ass. I use Ledger. It's better. Ben Cohen, what did he strike again? He said August, or he said September, bitch. Start over. Oh, I'm on the wrong wallet. Oh, this is further than I've gotten before. Oh, I gotta update my app. Looks like. Well, that sucks. I don't even know if I have Ledger installed on this freaking new computer. You guys get a lot of phone calls from Coinbase and shit. Oh, I don't have it installed. You can't stand Coinbase. Yeah. I think that's the 37,000th time you've told us that. They're not the best for retail. They're not the worst, but they're not the best. I don't know which one I have. Nano S or the Nano X? Which one's the better one? Ugh. Watch this be spyware. No, no, no. I don't want a recovery login, dude. Add an account. That? Sure. I don't have any of that on there. God damn it. Apps installed. Okay. Portfolio. Update device firmware. There we go. Yeah, this shit's so ready for mainstream, dude. Here's my Keystone wallet, completely dead. Good thing I never really used it. Their support basically non-existent. Whatever you do, don't get Keystone. I always was kind of not a big fan of them anyway because they're from China. Who the hell would trust their shit on a Chinese wallet? All right, we're starting to pump a little. Ricky, do you got the yappers? Is it the traffic? Who can it be now? Note to subs in a few minutes. Shove your note to subs. Fake? Maybe. The one this morning was a fake out. Nice to meet you. Over 2 billion in ETH longs can get liquidated if price hits 4,200. This is not weird at all. Traffic just getting to the plant, to the Ozempic plant. All right, let's try this shit again, bro. Or did I do it? Update. I did update it, dude. God damn it. Let's see. OS version. Oh, update firmware. God damn. Please navigate. Okay, Jesus. Let's see. 20. Yeah. Ben said Cardano has to come home. What does that even mean? It needs to go to a certain price. What is home? Are we talking about ETH BTC, ADA BTC? What are we talking about? You know, he's not right about everything. Max Payne. $0.39. When did he say that? I don't even think that's the right. I'm in ETH until then. We've done a Jimmy check-in? No. Oh, you're joking. I was going to say 39 cents is pretty extreme. I don't want to watch this, bro. What does he think? Oh, Jesus Christ. I dropped the JC bomb. I apologize. He said ETH was home. I mean, that was that home. It had to go to a different home. The ETH BTC had to go home. I guess. And making a bit of a bounce. Coin making a bit of a bounce. NASDAQ only down 20. It wants to go green. NBIS down $1. Oklo down 2. Calls coming in nice. What would 50% be? Oh, it's right at 50% winner. We're going to get super greedy. Oh, fuck me, dude. I could go to the bank, stand invalid pin. Oh my goodness. It only gives you 3 attempts too. Trezor gives you like 15. And if I don't, whew, where'd all my apps go? Oh, like you have to restore from seed phrase after 3. That's another reason I hate Ledger. My God. This is a lot of work, bro. So easy. Yeah, okay. I've been updating my firmware for like a bunch of clicks and this and then that. Make sure you have your seed phrase and restore apps and sign and press buttons. Meanwhile, my wife went to the bank, stood in line, cashed 3 checks, got a money order, did a couple deposits, went to the supermarket, and then came home. Future of finance. This is the future of finance. Oh my goodness, it's still upgrading, still updating. Watch me still not be able to pull out my night because Cardano sucks. JT in the house. How you doing, brother? Ricky, Trump, Banana 9. What does this mean? All right, let's try this again. What does it take? App version 612. It's not working. Let me try this again. Oh, we'll do lace. Oh, I think that Eternal must need to be updated. Something went wrong. Of course it did. Are we talking about this app version? I might have to restart my browser, which is going to be painful. I don't know how you tell what app version. Supported by Ledger app version 6.12. Oh, there's a new firmware update. Didn't I already do that? What version is this shit on, bro? So easy. My Ledger. It says OS version 223. Let's try Yori. Oh, Yori can't do slot 1. That's great, bro. I'm not going to be able to get my fucking night. I thought I already updated my firmware. Banana? That looks like oh, is that a handshake Trump? Handshake Putin? What's the 9? Tech 9? Processing? Transferring update to Ledger. Great. I use Yorian Eternal. I can't. Unfortunately, I have 2 slots on my. You have 24 slots on a hardware wallet. You probably didn't know that because you're a simp. But my ADA was on slot 1 instead of slot 0. And that's causing problems for Cardano because they suck. Everything I did made it impossible. I have my Cardano on slot 1. I have most of it on a Trezor. Trump looking strong. I doubt it. I swear to God, if it's not over 950, you're getting a lifetime ban. I'm being generous at 950, dude. And I'm serious, lifetime ban. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I should ban you for life. That's support. And this is the dumbest investment out there. Should we ban Ricky? I mean, Link looks strong. Unlock again. Great. I can't wait to get out of crypto. It is up to date. One last thing. Restore apps. Yeah, let's do that again. That's like 10% of your audience. Oh, Ricky. Yeah, you're funny. More than 10%. It's more like 20% of my audience. How many people are in the house? These nuts. No one watched Room 40, huh? There's 5 people here. He's 20%. I'm going to ban 20% of my audience. I don't give a shit. People don't like silver platters. People don't like making money. Not my fault. Processing. Not looking strong. Link is strong. Yeah. What do you mean link is strong, not looking? Oh, you're saying it just is? It's beyond looking. It just is. I'm impressed with Link and Ada. Ada's held up. It's at a fib. The O important fib. Next stop, the 132. Yep, still processing. Piece of shit, bro. Oh, Ledger is so good. Utilities coins? What? Tourette's. Fail to execute. No device selected. Start over. Start over. Cardano. I spent 12 hours of my life, half a day of my life trying to claim this night token. Now I'm just trying to get the small one right now. Failed to execute. No device selected. This is freaking great. I can try no. I want to try. There's a manual way to do it. It's so easy. Something went wrong. Try again. All those fools that call them dino coins will miss out. Someone's mowing a lawn already, bro. Weed eater and lawns. It's 7:40 in the morning. They should get their ass whooped. Link red, ETH red, 4,300, coin down 4. Sunday swap done? Why? I don't think so. I got some shit going on over there. They better not be done. You just got off your lawnmower and started at 8 o'clock and I'm still not done. You do that in AC? No, they're still good. Sunday swap's too hard to use. It's just too freaking complicated. But I do have about 5,700 ADA over here. Not including rewards. Only $300. I've been farming. Oh, I have a bunch of indie. About $1,000 in indie. Someday. But whenever that day happens, our coins might be zero. It would be impossible to give up territory. I told you Zelensky wasn't going to bend over. And why should he give up territory to Russia? Honestly, like that Russia invaded Ukraine. Ukraine didn't invade Russia. Yeah, his people are willing to die. I don't agree with everything going on over there, and there's definitely war crimes happening. But, I mean, Russia invaded Ukraine. They mess with the bull. I mean, they mess with the baby bull, but baby bull horns still hurt. If negotiated correctly, neither should be happy. I mean, I don't know that Russia would be happy, but yeah, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised, dude. Celestia exists to take crypto to the extreme. Extreme losses, right, Farnswoggle? This is Nick White. Nick White is a former founder of Harmony One. You guys don't know that because you're simps. That's how deep I go in crypto. Anyway, Celestia exists to take crypto to the extreme. Extreme losses. I'm trying not to post anything negative on Twitter, so I'm not going to. What if Russia gets the land, but Ukraine can then be expedited to NATO? Yeah, that's probably a good point. I don't even know if we want Ukraine in NATO, bro. Zelensky's a loose cannon, hothead, hood bounce. How much money do you think Zelensky has rat-holed into his bank account from the United States? Billions? I mean, of course, right? You think that all went to war, or do you think he has a pretty sizable bank account? Like, I want forensic accountants on him and I want it confiscated back. Sometimes, like one of the reasons we have a $37 trillion deficit is because we do shit like send a bunch of criminals money and let them put it in their own bank account. Yeah, they got a bunch of it wasn't like old weapons and shit, but they got money. He's got money for sure. Weapons that cost money to maintain. You're going to tell me they didn't send at least tens of millions in cash? Ask Rock. Good idea. I would have never thought of that. He could have also taken those weapons and just sold them. $31 billion. $20 billion loan. We've around $182 billion in emergency funding, with about $83 billion dispersed. So we've sent them $83 billion. If your grandma had wheels, she'd be a bike. What does that even mean? We've sent $83 billion in cash, bitch. You're gonna tell me at least $1 billion's not sitting in hidden bank accounts? And you know, another like a bunch of tens of millions and other drop. It is I mean, shit adds up, dude. Maybe tinfoil hat. Oh, okay. Ask Grok. Grok says yes. And then you're like, no, Grok doesn't know. Grok's a conspiracy theorist. You're just asking to get that lifetime ban. I was like, what are the odds Zelensky stole some of the money and predict how much? There's no evidence. Stole money. $5 to 10%. Yeah, I think Grok's wrong on that one. You don't send a country billions and a dictator is not going to rat hole some of it, dude. There's not a person on the planet that's not going to funnel. Oh, they won't notice. They sent 80 billion. They won't notice 50 million, 100 million, 200 million. Come on, bro. A billion. He is a dictator. What are you talking about? What type of government is Ukraine? Governed by a single entity with the country is governed with the central government holding primary authority. Is a democratic state with elected officials. A democratically voted in dictator. How powerful is Zelensky? You don't do what he says, you get two tapped. So the country's under martial law. It's basically a dictator. Bitcoin 115.5. Let's go, baby. My impression is that people want to fight. Your impression is what our media wants you to be impersonated with, bro. There used to be a guy that used to come to the channel that lived in the Ukraine. I wonder what happened to him. He was a Harmony One, bro. I'm not telling them they have to stop. I'll be the first to tell you I don't know the full story. I already said that Russia invaded them. Why should they give up territory? I'm tired of you telling me what to do. %69 support ending as soon as possible. A dramatic reversal 2022 where 73 supported fighting until victory. Put that in your tailpipe, bitch. Put that banana in your tailpipe. Just got Bricky all bricked up. All right, boys and girls, I got to go to work. Unfortunately, I am not looking forward to this week. I got a situation I'm dealing with. A little bit on the stressful side. NASDAQ down 34. E-mini S&P down 6. It's fine. Whoa, whoa. It's the Jews. Whoa, whoa. Crypto market dipping. It's the Gemini Christmas trying to get me crushed in the algorithm. Keep your chin up. Thank you. Bitcoin 115.6. Let's go, baby. All right, everyone. Have a great day.